Welcome to today's video. Many people enjoy reading the latest headlines on the Yahoo News app, but constant notifications can quickly become overwhelming. In this video, I will show you how to easily manage your notifications, customize them to your preferences, and reduce unnecessary alerts on your phone. First, open the Yahoo News app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom and tap on the profile icon. Then, go to the top right corner and tap on the settings icon. After that, select Notifications from the menu. Here, you will see several categories, including breaking news, product updates, recommendations, and other types of alerts. Finally, turn off any notification categories that you do not want to receive. You can keep the ones that matter most to you and disable the rest for a cleaner, less distracting news experience. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching.